Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Rara with my friends Eva Dewiyanti, Jauharoh Pancawati, Vanisa Nakita, and also Alkhamda Annis. And we are going to review an article journal review presentations, which every part of the journal will be reviewed by each of us. The article journal entitled Architectural Design Practice in Surabaya, Shaping Mall Design with Biophilic Design Approach, and it is written by Saifuddin Zuhri and Imam Ghazali. Well, the introduction part tells us about the background of the city called Surabaya as one of the metropolitan cities or urban areas in East Java, where the existence of high-rise buildings are increasing and great number of urban community are there. Well, this article say that these things led to predictions of how a mall in the future, whereas there is a basic human nature that is increasingly difficult to be accommodated in urban areas. Therefore, the design approach with biophilic methods is expected to reduce stress, improve cognitive functions and creativity, improve the welfare of the built environment user, and speed healing. So the article say that these design biophilic can be a healthy places and spaces with less stress and a better overall health and well-being if it's applied in a mall in Surabaya, East Java. And the presentation will be continued by my friend. Please.
Okay, next. I'm Vanisa. I want to tell about research background of architecture design practice in Surabaya. The city of Surabaya struggled role in national search as a service center of Eastern Indonesia activity and on a regional scale as a trade and service city at the national and international transportation needs like land, air, and sea, so as to provide opportunities of the city of Surabaya to enhance its role national activity center of PGN. The location of city of Surabaya is very strategic, connecting the city of Surabaya with the surrounding city, namely city or regions in Gerbang Kertosusilo. So it's strongly sport and the acceleration of development in the city of Surabaya. Over the past 5 years, the economy of Surabaya has been able to grow stable in the range of 6 to 7%. The economy growth rate is higher when compared to the average economic growth in Asia and nationally. Almost the economic growth of Surabaya City has slowed since 2014 and 2015, which is the range of 6%, but the slowdown in growth was caused by a factor of global economic instability. Urban residents have activity that are very dense and vulnerable to psychological pressure. Shopping center as center of greeting people with a family large number allow for individual interaction. With the above considerations, the author there to present a study of the process of design, which a bioptic approach approach to present a more adaptive atmosphere of a communal building and is accept to sociality as a more natural and sustainable community center to present the atmosphere of space which serve to bring people close the nature and or human with other humans. Uh, yeah.
Hello, my name is Jauharoh Pancawati. I want to tell about design approach. Uh, this design approach use a biopolic design and prosemic multi-design approach in an effort towards design optimization by applying several design approaches. In addition, biopolic design approach is oriented toward natural and human relations, while prosemics is oriented towards human relations with humans. Biopolic designs can reduce stress in scans, sensitivity, and clarity of mind, improve our well-being, and isolate healing. As the world population continues to express urbanization, these qualities are increasingly important. Geopolitical design is one of a number of trending design practices that, that rely on natural design, system, engineering, participle, and design tools to improve uh, environmental quality, health, and even every uh, integrated geopolitical design, but does not match the contribution of other nature beside design techniques because it can act as platform of uh, intertechnical network of the liaison of or party link, link language that can unite different parties in a border will environment. This design approach is devious in the design process that is developed to dramatic acts other but mutuality balance. The equilibrium condition of human natural and human relation in mall design will produce an optimal role to restore the mental health of mall user. This design is formed by magnets to that are connected by the circulation of customer. For the reason, the application of mall identity must start with mapping vertical and horizontal lines according to the site context. After the form of space of format, the next step will go hand in hand namely maintaining microspatial orientation, bin regulation, circulation, borders between zones through the application of prosemics, and the same time applying the policy design patterns as vista and other sense in the space. The shopping mall that are designed use the one with nature. The shopping mall that are designed using the one with nature, the is expert that Fisher can feel the atmosphere of shopping, playing, as well as having fun and chatting or communicating with the forming environment that takes natural elements. This activity is expected to be interactive with nature to so as the create an atmosphere that is able to resort the help of visitors physically and psychologically.
Hey, my name is Alkhamda Annis. I want to explain about the scientific view. The shopping center is an activity that serves the sale and purchase of goods, which are divided into four types, namely, the first is convenience good, the second are daily necessities, specialty goods, and are certain types of goods such as antiques and collections. Shop that are not really needed or sold by visitors. The developed shopping area consists of various types of retail, which has an area of 20 until 3,000 meter. Anchor tenants of the Pitchfork Shopping Center are H&M, Topman, and Zara, which have an area of 300 meters of tenants. Besides that, the main facility is a circulation path that connects each dynamic tenant with a width of between 6 until 10 meters of and natural nuances. The developed shopping center is an integrated mall, which is a closed and open shopping center located on Surabaya's Middle East Ring Road. MERR supporting facilities are the park area located on the second floor, which is usually used by visitors to rest and in the afternoon can be used to enjoy the Surabaya river flow in front of the site. The location of the shopping center is located in the Kadung Baruk area with a position of the crossroads of the MERR route with Jalan Kedung Baruk. This location designation is a trade-in business center in East Surabaya, which is currently developing quite rapidly. The location also serves residential areas with the declassification of middle-upper settlement, which are the business buffer zone in the region.
My name is Eva Dewiyanti. Of the six biopilot design elements, several design illustrations are given at the conclusion of this chapter that illustrate some of the design features. All artificial environment designs include the ability to apply a biopilot approach that is in harmony with nature, reflect what Ren Dubus calls active wooing of the earth. This aim, in other words, produce some level of intentional nature improvement to meet human needs, but in a way that expresses displaced with the use of the word and natural atmosphere. Thus, human intervention, if practiced with restraint and respect, can avoid erosion and environmental degradation. With humility and understanding, an effective biophilic design has the potential condition to enrich humanity and nature character. Zoning arrangement in the site is divided into three, namely public zones, uh, public zones for areas that can be covered by anyone, private zones for areas that can be covered by only a few occupants, and service zones for areas that can be covered by activities that support the operation of the system at the mall. Site zoning is determined based on site orientation and the Kedung Baruk Highway (MARR) and Jagir River. The freedom of access and circulation both of pedestrians and vehicles is also a consideration of site zoning. The difference in zoning on the site is represented by the difference in color in the following diagram. Structuring the shape of the building must that adapt to the shape of the site and the flow of the Jaguar River that flows in front of the site. Location is a source of inspiration for the form of the building mass. So then the choice from of mass is to arrange the shape of the building mass extends in the direction of the shape of the site with consideration to maximize the area of land and adjusting to local regulations. The composition of the building mass is also formed based on the blending of the functions functions of activities and spatial concept of space. The dominant and round shape of the mass is an attempt to express the design them by taking forms that are easy to interact with nature and the environment.
Okay, the last is acknowledgements. The author would like to thank Ustaz Moh Imam Astakmir of Baitur Rahman Mosque at Kenjeran who gave many input in some developments of the mosque at Surabaya, as well as Ustaz Safri Matandang Astakmir of Al Wahyu Mosque at Surabaya and the clerics who contribute a lot of ideas about the characters of the mosque. The typical mosque ornament there is the main attraction of visitors to the mosque to be a background photo selfie. Okay, maybe enough from us. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.